I put adhesive tape on my nose and look what happened. You need to know this trick. I will show you everything that happens when you dare to wrap adhesive tape around your nose. Many do not know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. The adhesive tape is undoubtedly one of the best known and used products in the world, thanks to its versatility for home uses, crafts, and DIY. It is used by both men and women for different home and professional tasks. But before I show you how to put it on your nose, I will tell you other uses that you can give to the adhesive tape, and I know that they will be very helpful. Number 1, avoid blisters on the feet. It is very common that after wearing shoes for long hours, you get those annoying blisters behind the heel. To avoid this, you just have to cut a little adhesive tape and place it in the area. The adhesive will leave it stuck and will not allow more blisters to come out. Number 2, remove fluff from clothes. The frequent contact between garments of different fabrics can cause fluff to come out. If in an emergency case you have plushies in your clothes, you can always wrap a little adhesive tape on your fingers and pass over the garment with plushies. It will work very well. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so I can greet you in my next videos. Number 3, improving the broom when sweeping. It has surely happened to you that you are sweeping, and when using the brush, the floor does not clean well. Place an adhesive tape line between the floor and the brush, and when sweeping, you will notice that there will be no remains of dust on the floor. Number 4, remove the sound from the legs of the furniture. If you have a table or furniture that makes a lot of noise when you move it, you can put a little tape with the adhesive up and the sound will go completely. This will also prevent scratches to the floor. Now that you know the different uses you can give the adhesive tape, it's time to tell you what it's for to put it on your nose. Having a congested nose is something that often happens to many people. This trick is used a lot by athletes to defog the nose. When we have the nose covered, brain functions decrease and we get to have chronic headaches. With this trick, you will be able to decongest your nose only with adhesive tape. The first thing you should do is cut a little tape. Then inhale deeply and then stick it in the nose. By doing this, the nasal cavity will expand and you will be able to breathe more easily. Today's greeting is for Caroline Ramos from the Dominican Republic and for Luis Castillo from the United States. Thank you for faithfully watching our content. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know.